Hello friends, let's talk about a few confidence tips for beginners which will help you to strengthen your spoken English skills. Do you feel nervous when you speak in English? You want to speak confidently, but your mind goes blank. Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'll share some easy and practical confidence tips, especially for beginners like you, that will help you speak English with more confidence. Confidence comes from preparation. Let me tell you a secret. Confident people are not born confident. They are prepared, and preparation gives you power. Tip number 1. Learn some useful sentences that you can use in daily life. Like, can you repeat that please? I'm learning English, so please be patient. Let me try to say it again. Memorize these and practice them daily. It's like having a few tools in your pocket ready to use. Speak in English every day. Tip number 2 is speak in English every single day. Yes, even if it is just to yourself, stand in front of a mirror and say something like, "Hi, my name is Manikrit. Today, I will talk about my favorite movie." This is called mirror practice, and it is one of the best ways to become confident without anyone judging you. Don't worry about mistakes. Tip number 3 is stop being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a proof that you're trying. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Even native speakers make mistakes. So why are you so afraid? The goal is communication, not perfection. Record yourself. Tip number 4 is record yourself. Record yourself speaking. Just use your phone, choose a topic like your favorite food, and speak for 1 minute. Then watch it. This helps you notice your body and body language and pronunciation and how confident you look when you talk. It also shows you how much you're improving. Use positive self-talk. Tip number 5 is say positive things to yourself. Like, I'm improving every day. I can speak English with confidence. I don't need to be perfect to be understood. Confidence starts in the mind. So give your mind the right thoughts. Remember, becoming confident is a journey, not magic. Start with these 5 simple tips and watch yourself grow. Which tip will you try first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more spoken English tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.